Hello, it's Old Pop here, and today I'm doing the seed blessing. We bless many things in the craft. It's not unusual to bless our craft tools, our working space, all these things we can bless. But not very often you hear about a seed blessing. So today I'm going to show you my idea of a seed blessing. Some may disagree, some may think it's twaddle, but at the end of the day I want to plant some seeds again this year. Now it's nice hot and sunny. White sage, that's what I'm planting. White sage seeds. So what do we use sage for? There's a lot of the practitioners in the craft will know we use sage for smudging. Once it's dried out, once it's grown and dried out, we bundle it up into like bundles and things, and then we go around the room, into the corners. We can smudge ourselves, but we can't do any of that until we've actually got the sage. Right. So I've got some lovely sage seeds. I've got the camera in a funny angle so I can show you everything that's going on. Got some sage seeds. Your pot of ordinary compost. Bit of a gardening thing, this. Got your sage seeds. You've got your compost. Okay. So I'm going to plant the seeds about 1.5 inches below the surface. Okay. So let's have a little twiddly diddle with these. So the seeds are going in there. You don't need to fill the pot, just say a pot this size, about four seeds, that'll do. Now, what I like to do also is, when I'm actually planting the seeds, I like to say a little blessing. That's what this video is about, planting seeds, sage and blessings. So I'll write down on a little piece of paper. I can later on transfer to my book of shadows if I want to. Always make your notes, make your little incantations or whatever you want to do. So this one, now I pop the seeds in the pot, about 1.5 inches down from the surface. I shall say, seeds I sow, seeds I know. I plant with love, so may you grow. So mote it be. So what I've actually done is planted my seeds, and I put a little bit of my energy and power into that planting process. So now I shall just put a little bit of water on it, and hopefully we shall have some nice sage seedlings in about 20 days, 21 days. So once you've planted them, a bit of water, keep them somewhere up nice and warm. You don't want to put them outside where you're going to get wind and frost. Well, you not really get frosty in summer, but you know, you don't want them in a windy position. And keep away from pets as well, because cats, they like to get round and they like to scratch things and that. So you can always put a little bit of netting. I'm not saying this big, but I'm just saying this sort of netting. You could just pop it over the top, you know, cut a little square out, just put it over the top, just to keep your cats away if you're going to put your pot outside. So I hope this has been helpful to you. It's really hot in this garage, but it's well worth showing, especially the newcomers to the craft, how to do a little blessing and how to plant a few seeds, and the sage will grow. Now that you've done all the things correctly, you've got your decent soil with your compost, you've got your nice seeds, you've planted them, said your blessing, just left at Mother Nature now to actually make them flourish. So there you see, I've got plenty of peat and other bits and bobs in there as well. That's what I mean, a little bit of netting.
So you put your net, if you're going to put it outside, put your net, I've only just seen that, you know what pops about. Pop your netting on the top, you can put it outside, somewhere where it's not chilly. So that's basically how to do a seed blessing. Whew. It's warm in this garage, so I'm going to cut this video short now. As always, thank you for watching, and thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. So it's all Pop from a very warm garage. I'm going to put my seeds outside now with my netting on top. Thank you for watching. All Pop for now. Total respect to you all. Catch you again. Bye bye bye.